Hi friends, do you think a shy little boy and two playful siblings can become friends with a new visitor? Let's find out. Stay until the end to see how it all turns out. Once upon a time, in a big house with green shutters, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver had grown up in this house alongside two cheerful siblings, Mia and Max, who loved to sing and play all day. The three of them were like family and spent their days having fun together. Oliver had a cozy corner by the big window with a soft chair, while Mia and Max had a little table with colorful books and pencils. Every morning, Mia and Max would sing happy songs, filling the house with joy. Oliver loved the sunshine and often dozed off in his chair during the day. But Mia and Max, full of energy, would run around and play tricks to wake him up. Sometimes, Oliver would grumble and wave his arms to keep them away, but deep down, he loved their playful spirit. One hot summer day, the big windows were open, letting in a gentle breeze. Suddenly, a new visitor stepped into the house. It was a little boy named Leo. Leo was curious and saw Mia and Max playing games with Oliver. He wanted to join them and quickly ran over with a big smile. Oliver, who didn't know Leo, felt nervous. Who is this new boy? He wondered. When Leo ran closer, Oliver panicked and accidentally pushed him away. Poor Leo fell to the floor, looking surprised and hurt. Mia and Max were upset. Why did you do that, Oliver? They asked. Oliver didn't know what to say. He felt confused and didn't understand why he had reacted that way. Hearing the noise, the kind owner of the house, Mrs. Harper, came into the room. She saw Leo on the floor and gently helped him up. "Oh no, are you okay, little one?" she asked as she gave him some water and checked his knee. Mia and Max chirped in. Oliver was mean to him. Hearing the noise, the kind owner of the house, Mrs. Harper, came into the room. She saw Leo on the floor and gently helped him up. "Oh no, are you okay, little one?" she asked as she gave him some water and checked his knee. Mia and Max chirped in. Oliver was mean to him. Mrs. Harper knelt down next to Oliver. "Oliver, I know you might feel unsure about meeting someone new, but Leo is kind and just wants to play. I'm sure you'll like him once you get to know him. Let's try to be friends, okay?" Oliver felt bad. He looked at Leo and softly said, "I'm sorry." Leo smiled and said, "It's okay. Can we play together now?" Over time, Oliver got used to having Leo around. They played games, laughed, and even made up silly tricks together to surprise Mia and Max. The four of them became the best of friends, filling the house with even more joy and laughter, and so, Oliver, Mia, Max, and Leo lived happily ever after, proving that new friendships can start with a little kindness. Did you enjoy this story? If you love bedtime stories, kids stories, and fun adventures like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next story.